So guys, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng video paano natin mada-download yung uh, yung may tracking number na galing sa Flash Express na apps. So, ayan guys, login lang tayo sa Flash with our username and password and punta tayo sa quick query and then parcel statistics and then select nyo lang guys kung anong gusto nyo i-download na date. For example, download natin is June 11 to June 13. Ayan, so click nyo lang guys and then search. Ayan, search nyo lang guys, 1,231 parcel. And then export. Ayan, lagyan nyo lang ng date guys, June 11 to 13. Okay, save. Ayan, once na save na, punta sa downloads. Ayan, 11 to 13. Click nyo lang guys. So, ayan yung ating parcel na may tracking number. So, see you on our next video, which is yung pag-upload naman ng tracking number sa POS. Okay?